Okay, so welcome back. So if you remember this program, which we are which we have written some time back in the I think 2 videos back, like so where I have written the one recursive function for the pre-order. Okay, so what I'm thinking, I'm going to reuse this over there also. Okay, so let me write for the in order. Okay, so in order, what happened? In order, first thing we have to first visit the whole left of a node, then we have to visit the root, then we have to visit the right hand tree, right? Okay, so in recursive this will become a very easy one. I'm just going to rewrite the new method in this only, in order recursive. So in this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply reshuffle the step, right? So first I'm going to read all the left, correct? Then I'm going to print that root value, then I'm going to process the right side element. So this is code is done. Okay, so you can understand how recursive has made our life easy, okay, especially in the non-linear data structure. Okay, so if I run this, let me write here, I'm going to pass in this root, correct? Let's run that. Right, so this is coming correct. If you run this on paper, you'll find out the same pattern. Okay, it should be 527 10 14 for this input. All right, in the same way, if I am going to write for the post order recursion, then how we are going to do? So do you remember what was the order in the post order recursion? The post was left, right and node, means first process all the childs, then process the root node. So let me copy this again, and I'm going to paste here, and I'm going to change the name so that it should be post order. Okay, so in this, what I'm going to do, first I have to do all the left, then I have to do all the right. So I'll simply copy from here, and I'm going to put here, right? So this is the change, this is done. So you can understand like how things are becoming so easy now, right? So post order, I'm going to pass in the root as an input, and let me comment this out for some time, and let me run this. So post order, I called it, right? So post order recursive, first left, right, then value, correct? So this is the post order, and in order was there. Okay, so now let me do this for all: pre-order, in order and post order, right? Let me run this now. Oh, so in this I have to print this after each. So this is the our pre-order recursive, this is the in order, and this is the post order, correct? So this is the output that we are getting. So you can try many trees and just try to solve this on paper, then try to produce the same output from the code as well. So once you practice it, you're going to master this. Okay, so I think we are done with the all kind of traversal, only left with the BFS traversal, right? So BFS, if you remember, BFS means level by level traversal. Okay, so let's see that.